Hello everybody. I have the Bomibox here. That's right, we're going to check out Bomibox. This is Miss Jackie Russell with my hair kind of flipped out and a little different, and we're going to check out this Bomibox. Welcome to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and we'll all be in tune with each other. But I am so excited. I get the Bomibox once a quarter. You can get it monthly, you can get it bi-monthly, you can get it once a quarter. It's $39.99. If you do a year, you might be able to get it for like $37 or $35.99. If you do bi-monthly, it might be $38. I think mine is $39.99 for a quarter. Or you can go month to month, so you don't have to sign up like, I guess you don't have to do contracting. You can cancel anytime. But anyways, I'm excited to get my Bomibox. It is Korean Beauty, and I love me some Korean Beauty, and they always have the latest things in Korean Beauty, and they always get a couple of masks. We'll get 6 to 7 items in here, maybe 8. But 2 of them is usually a mask. And yes, indeed, I've got me a cucumber mask here by Misha. And there's not going to be much information on there that I can read. But I can say that all the masks that I've received from my Bomibox have been great. I've even purchased them, you know, like go on Amazon and purchase a box of them of some of my favorites. JM Solution is one of them, and Medicube. Anyways, the next one that I have, these are really good. This is a Tea Tree Deep Power Ringer. It says Mask Pack. So this brand is really good. I've used it and I like it. And the only thing for me is I'm not sure if I can have green tea on my face. I think I'm allergic to green tea. But it's Cyborg is the name. Milky Piggy Cyborg, and I guess that's the brand name, and it's like getting an infusion, and they call it a power ringer. I may try to use this. Okay, now I remind myself of Pippi Longstocking with my hair like this, but now, does she have it like this, or does she have it braided up? Or is it one of those other persons that I'm thinking of, and I can't think of her name. But anyway, if y'all think about it, who wears their hair like this? I've seen this on TV or something. I just was thinking Pippi Longstocking. Oh, there's one of them superheroes that I think that does it like this, but I can't remember. But let's get back to this box. We're going to have a riddle shot of vitamin modeling pack. This is an Exome, and it is a Sika riddle. So this is going to be a great product. It's a modeling mask, contains Sika riddle and vitamin C that cools the skin and leaves it with a glowing appearance. So very nice. So that's the first item other than the mask. And they do package it up good just so you can see. I have other items in here. The next thing, we've got the green tomato pore lifting ampoule. So green tomato, have you ever fried green tomatoes? I heard they're really good. It's pore care, it's lifting, it's relaxing, and it's an ampoule, and it's a patented green tomato ingredient. Helps lift pores, tighten and moisturize dry skin while helping improve wrinkles and brightening dull skin to be radiant and lively. And it's Sung Boon Editor, I guess. Is that the brand? Yes, that's the brand. It's a 30 ml, and it is sealed. Has an expiration date of 2028. So that's good. I've got a little time on this one. I can see that superstar person, or whatever they call it, in my mind, but I can't think of her name. Alright, this is what this looks like. Nice packaging. Sunboom Editor, green tomatoes, pore lifting ampoule. And it looks greenish like, so I guess that would make sense. It's green tomato. It doesn't really have a strong scent, very light and refreshing. And I like, goes on smooth. I wonder if I can smell a little bit of the green tomato. I don't think so. I was wondering though. It's going to make my hands really soft, I can tell you that. Very nice. Okay, I'm going to like that. And with the Bomibox, the Korean boxes, you get a lot of the latest things that's going on in Korea. Now this is the tranexamic acid, niacinamide, ampoule serum. And I'm not sure if I pronounced that right. But this is Tranix niacin 38.8%. They have much stronger skin products over there, I think, and the prices are usually really good. So this here is, you're going to apply appropriate amount to face. That's all it says. And I can't read that. It's all Korean. It's a flower abstract. I'm having a hard time reading that. There's rice extract, and there's some fermented products in there. But it really doesn't say what it's going to be, but it's by APLB, which mild ingredients with the best results. So I guess you're just going to treat it like when you're going to wear niacinamide. That's how I'm going to treat it, because I use that on my face all the time. So let's check it out. I'm liking this Bomibox. And I only get it once a quarter because I have a hard time using up product, you know, and I don't want to get it every month where I can't even, take me forever to use it. It takes me forever to use it anyways, but you know what I'm trying to say. And I'm trying to get this open. There we go. So we can see what it looks like. This is the bottle that it's in. I'd say that's pretty simple packaging. I think this is a plastic bottle. The other one was a glass bottle. And it's going to have the niacinamide in it. So let's see how that feels. Just a drop will do ya. Very nice. And it's probably going to absorb quickly. That's what we want. Doesn't really have a scent. Nope. So it's going to be good for that. Good to go on that. You don't want too much fragrance on your face. I got a little bit on my nose when I sniffed it, or tried to. Alright. That's APLB, and it is the tranexamic acid niacinamide ampoule serum. The next thing is we have a taco bow. And I don't know if I pronounced that right. This is a vitamin B5, vitamin E, and a centella acacia extract. And I love centella, as y'all already know. And it's a vegan product. And it is Bio Watery Sunscreen, Broad Spectrum, SPF 50. So I'm going to have plenty of SPF. And I love using the SPF, and it seems here lately I've gotten several that have the Sika in it, or the centella. And this is what it looks like. And I'm sure it's going to be sealed. Yes, it is. And I'm going to leave it that way for now. It's in blue packaging, and it's very nice. And this is another good brand from Korea. If you haven't tried it, you can try it out, and you'd probably like it. Now, my last item that I have in here is the Perfect Balance. This is Matcha Hydrating Foam Cleanser. Oh, okay. Got another cleanser here. This here's in a tube, and it's going to be balancing. It's a perfect balanced facial cleanser. It's got 8 matcha leaf and 2 matcha, and I'm not quite sure what that means, but you are going to, of course, wash your face, lather it, and wash your face, and then wash with lukewarm water to rinse off. So very nice. I'm going to see if it's, yeah, it's sealed. I was going to see if I could smell it, but yeah, I'm not going to be smelling that because I've got too many cleansers opened right now. So those are my Bomibox. What do you think? What do you think about the Perfect Balance? Now, I have not heard of this brand, so this is new to me, and it may be new on the scene. 8-2. Not quite sure. It's a Perfect Balance, it says. We had the Taco Bow, which I'm going to really like the sunscreen. We had the APLB, and this was the niacinamide, and that sounds really hopeful. And then we also had the Green Tomato Pore Lifting Ampule. So it's going to lift and resurface, and it's also for relaxing. Is that what it says? Relaxing. Okay, that's what it says. And then I've got my calming mask here, the Riddle Shot Vitamin Modeling Mask. And that sounds very good. It's got the Sika in it as well. It's a Sika needle. And then I got my 2 face masks. So what do you think? So here's my Bomibox. So that was my Bomibox. Let me know. Did you have a favorite? Oh, did I have a favorite? That's a good question. I think I'm going to like the cucumber mask. I'm going to look forward to trying this out. And I'm also curious about the green tomato abstract. That's very interesting. And of course, I'm going to love the sunscreen. That part's a no-brainer. But I love my box, and you let me know. Woo, I'm shining you out there. What was your favorite in my Bomibox for this quarter? And again, this can come monthly if you want monthly beauty. I'll put a link to their site down below. If they're going to have any specials, it's going to be on their site. I don't have any discount codes or affiliate links or anything like that with Bomibox. But I can say that you can get a lot of good products from Bomibox. Just go and check it out. And that's all I have today for Bomibox. Be sure and use hashtag Jubilee if you're participating in the year-long Jubilee giveaways. And if you want to share this video, let me know when and where you shared it, and I'll put an entry into the monthly Jubilee for you, up to 3 entries, and that's a hand-drawn entry. The other entries are weekly, and the comment picker picks those winners each month when I do my video, and I'll be doing that real soon. So anyways, that's all I have today. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to hit that like button if you're still here. Leave me a little emoji heart or something that you're still here. And I appreciate you so much. I love my subscribers, and I think y'all are just wonderful. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.